Okay, I'll make a cornetto, so I'm going to be playing one-handed for a bit. It's really hard one-handed, let me tell you. Oh shit.
Oh, wait.
Uh-oh.
Where are you going?
What's that noise?
Oh shit.
Wait, how did backstab me? Okay. That may have been because I'm eating a cornetto. No. Now!
It's down. Jeez. Relax. We don't need to do this.
I do. NANI? For my honor.
Okay.
Yeah, I would recommend taking a few shots. Oh.
You know what?
You can just wait for me, I should be fine.
I think I'll just wait. Watch how the ground shakes. Wait, it doesn't do that?
I like the way he just sidesteps around me. Go, go, go! And well, we have to kill this boy first. Oh, he's just dead.
Yeah. I'm hurt.
Do you want sippy? You want some
I
sippy?
want sippy.
You want some sippy? Ah, I'll give you sippy. Wait for Tarkus. I want to see like all the boys like lined up.
Look how slow he is.
Tarkus, come on. Alright, let me take a screenshot of this. Beautiful, gentlemen. Let's roll. I want to see if we can knock him off. Oh, this is not even real life. I can't believe you just fucking did that.
Soul. Oh,
what
what
is
a
that?
lol.
You are actually like spasticated. Town Orlando, and we can go do fucking the boys.
Do you remember when we first went to Analondo and we were like, I walked down the stairs and I saw the sentinel and I was like, oh, it's a friend.
And it just wasn't friends at all, was it?
Yeah. No?
Maybe you'd be like really convinced that they were friends or something.
Yeah.
Because they just look like such humble boys. Excuse me, Goggle, I have business to attend to. Thank you, Dark Souls.